Hi guys, this is the 28th tutorial. Sadly, I haven't managed to make it to 30 to end this one on the 30th, which would have been pretty good. So what we're up to is we're about to create a while loop, and this is probably the first part of like the end of the beginning, I suppose would be the best term. Like, we've just covered all the basic stuff, and this is the first time we're going to start doing anything that is really going to start becoming interesting, and we're going to actually do some stuff that you'll think, oh cool, rather than just typing out 4 times 4, which is equal to 16, or 4 double equals 16. So just remember that the double times means to the power of, so if we're to do 3, we get 27. So just reminding you of that. Now, what we're going to do now is to start the start the while loop, we need a is equal to 0. So hit enter, and we've got a is equal to 0. So now that's fine. So while a is less than 10. So I'm just thinking, probably have it run out another 2 times, and then just use a colon. Now, this will run, this a is equal to 1,000, will run as long as a is less than 1,000. The second that a becomes equal to 1,000 or more than 1,000, it will stop running. Now, obviously, we can use the less than or equal to sign, which, you know what, I'm actually going to do that one. So this time it will end exactly on 1,000. We can do the not equal to, sign, the less than or equal to, or the greater than or equal to, I think that one was, or the equal to. So that would just say when a is equal to 1,000. But we'll run this one, and we'll just hit enter. So now, as you can see, any decent text editor will do this, which Python's idle shell is. It just has put us forward. We could have obviously tabbed forward, but we didn't want to tab forward. Python's done that for us. They've made it pretty easy. Now this is where we input our arguments. So we're going to do print, and we're going to do just a little thing, a equals, and now a. So I don't know if we've actually covered this before, but that's how you enter a variable into a text in this instance. So a, well, that's one of the ways you can enter it. You could obviously do others, but that's how we're entering it here. A plus equals 1. So now this is just saying that a is equal to a plus 1. So how about we just run this through. Now hit enter. Okay, so it's not running it through. This is the end of the loop, but it's not running it through. Now, what I probably should have mentioned beforehand is to end a loop, well, to end this while loop, we need to have one blank line. And that's just where it says that we know that we've entered it. And we hit enter. As you can see, it's run the whole way through. It's a little longer than I would have liked, but we're getting there. So now, how about we do this again? A equals 0. Again, a is back to 0. We'll do while a is equal to 10. We'll do print just a, and we're going to do double enter here. So it's done absolutely nothing. But if we grab this line, hoping this will work, we can then do a plus equals 1 and run it out again. But it's not running. So essentially we're not running the loop because a is not equal to 10. But now if we were to say a equal 10, what we'll do is we can then run it here, and it'll just print out once because there is no, it won't run while a is equal to 10. So essentially what we should do here is firstly again assign a to 1 or 0. A is not equal. Now that's the one that will solve it. Whoops. And down we go, and there we go. We've got 1 to 9. Now, that's going to be it for this tutorial. I've probably dragged on a little bit too much, but just go back through this a couple of times, because this one's one that you're going to want to learn. It's not hard, but it's also not easy. It's just going to be that kind of thing that you need a bit of practice to understand. So anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll be moving on to some more exciting stuff soon. I can promise you that.